Hi, my name's Sarah Brown from Brice Cake Creations. Now, I'm really grateful that Paul and David have given me the opportunity to come on as a guest tutor on CakeFlix to share this tutorial with you. So I'll be sharing with you this tutorial, which is a moth orchid or a phalaenopsis flower pot cake. Now, a phalaenopsis, which is commonly known as a moth orchid, and that's probably what I'll be calling it for the rest of the tutorial because phalaenopsis is a bit of a mouthful to say. So I'll be teaching you how to make these flowers and also the buds and the leaves, and then I'll be teaching you how to actually wire the flowers together. And we've got a bamboo in here, so I'll be teaching you how to do the effect of the bamboo and the flower pot itself, which is actually the cake. So we've also got some detail on here, and we'll be using a really interesting household object to do the actual detail on the cake. We've got marble tiled and grouted board with gold flecks, and also the piece de la resistance on this cake is actually the edible moss, which is super easy to make, which only takes about 1 minute 30 in the microwave. So with all of that being said, let's get started.